Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the damage. Determine if the rust is surface, scale, or has perforated the panel. Once you know the type, remove loose paint and scale with a wire brush and 80 grit. This gets you to solid metal. Make sure to sand feathered edges with 220 grit so filler and primer adhere. Put on gloves, goggles, and a mask. Disconnect the battery if you'll be near wiring, and mask off surrounding trim and glass so dust doesn't settle. Now treat the prepared metal with a rust converter to neutralize residual oxidation. Follow cure times so it bonds. For small holes, use fiberglass patching or body filler. For large holes, weld in a replacement patch panel if you can. Once patched, shape the repair with body filler. Sand from 80 up to 220 grit for a smooth blend. Clean the area with wax and grease remover, then hit it with a tack cloth. Apply 2-3 thin coats. Once primer is cured, wet sand with 400-600 grit to remove orange peel and create a smooth base, then clean with a tack cloth. Spray color in thin, overlapping passes to blend into surrounding paint, keeping the can or gun moving to avoid runs. Apply 2-3 coats of clear coat, allow proper flash times, then let it cure fully before wet sanding and polishing to match gloss. If you run into delamination or bubbling later, check for trapped rust beneath. Strip to bare metal and repeat treatment for a long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.